Yes, Noah Kahan. Noah Kahan. No, I can't say his name. Anyway, I learned that song today, and that's what I'm going to teach you. It's super easy, beginner friendly. All you need is a capo and some fingers. So let's go. Okay, we're in standard tuning. We've got the capo on the 3rd fret, and we're going to be finger picking with our thumb and forefinger. Okay, thumbs on the top string, and forefingers on the 4th string. And they're going to stay there. Okay, left hand, we're going to start by putting our middle finger on the 3rd fret of the top string, and our ring finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string. This is how it sounds. Okay, and that's the rhythm of the mess. It's going to go on like that the whole time. It's just 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, you're going to do that 4 times to start. And then you're going to slide up to the second part, which is your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. You're going to do that just that one time. And slide right back down. So you're going to do that twice, basically. So first part, slide up, second part, slide back down, slide back up again. Okay, now after you've done this, you're going to pull off your hand and just play it super easy now. You only have one hand. And you're going that same rhythm, same strings. And then you're going to put back down on that 2nd fret for both. And then slide back down to the first part. And then slide back up again. And then take off again. Slide back down. So let's go over the arrangement one more time just in case it's unclear, and that'll be it. So it's the first part, then slide, second part, slide back, first part, slide again, second part, off, second part, first part, second part, off, second part, first part. Restart. That's the loop. Thank you for watching. I hope I added some value to your day. If you have a guitar, please subscribe. I got you with all your favorite songs that the guitar lesson overlords did not bother to put on YouTube. Anyway, put your requests in the comments below and have a great day.